Hello friends, welcome to Vikas Academy. Today we'll discuss Battle of Ghagra. You see, Battle of Ghagra was fought on 6th May 1529 near Ghagra river. Ghagra is a river in Bihar. It's in Bihar, right? It was fought between Babur, who was the founder of Mughal Empire, and Muhammad Lodi. Muhammad Lodi was younger brother of Ibrahim Lodi. I will explain who is Ibrahim Lodi. Ibrahim Lodi was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate and he was defeated in the first battle of Panipat. We'll discuss also the background of this Ghagra battle. Now understand what was the result of this Ghagra battle. You see, Babur was very much ambitious and dynamic at that time. So Babur defeated Muhammad Lodi, a brother of Ibrahim Lodi, in this battle. Right? Babur was victorious. This is the point you should remember. And Muhammad Lodi lost the battle. First thing is that we have to understand the background. Background, you can say, we'll talk about 1526, then we'll talk about 1527, then 1528. We'll discuss all these things. First, in 1526, first battle of Panipat was fought. Panipat battle, right? It was fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. Right? And Babur was victorious. This is the point you should remember. Then again in 1527, you can say in Battle of Khanwa, Babur defeated Rana Sangha. Right? That means you can see here in 1526 Babur was victorious in first battle of Panipat. In 1527 Babur was victorious in battle of Khanwa. And in 1528 Chanderi battle. In 1528 Chanderi battle. In Chanderi battle, Babur also defeated Medini Rai, right? That means you can say Babur was continuously winning the battles, continuously, right? These are the points you should remember. First thing is that in 1526, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi and established Mughal Empire in India. In 1527, in Battle of Khanwa, Babur defeated Rana Sangha. And in 1528, Babur defeated Medin Rai. And the very next year, in 1529, Babur defeated Muhammad Lodi, who was younger brother of Ibrahim Lodi. You can see here Ibrahim Lodi, younger brother of Ibrahim Lodi, right? Muhammad Lodi. And after this battle, Babur consolidated the empire. You can say after this battle, Babur consolidated Mughal power in India. This is the thing you should remember. Mughal power in India, right? However, after a few months, on 26th December, On 26th December 1530, Babur died. Babur died and he was initially buried in Agra. Later shifted to Kabul. Because the last wish of Babur was to be buried in Kabul. However, initially he was buried in Agra, then in Kabul. These are the points you should remember for exam point of view. Question may be asked, in Battle of Ghagra, who was the winner? So obviously Babur, because Babur was dynamic, Babur was ambitious, and he had organized army, and Babur used also gunpowder. This is the main point you should remember. Why Babur was winning battles continuously? Because of gunpowder and modern technology at that time. So this is all about your Battle of Ghagra. Wish you happy learning. Thank you for watching Vikas Academy.